When attempting to lift and jump through for a vinyasa, if the hands are directly beside the hips, it can be difficult to get enough clearance to swing the legs through. Instead, try placing the hands in front of the hips. Lean back, curling the shoulders back, and then squeezing the ankles together. You lean forward and you lift, kicking the feet forward to create forward momentum, and then snap the feet in quickly, utilizing that momentum to have the clearance to swing the feet through and land in Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep the shoulders lifting as the feet touch down and the heart descends, so the back body supports you. Rolling over the toes, the hips can lift, and then scoop the tailbone again to use momentum to lift the upper body. When you lift, outer rotate the arms and shoulders, taking head back. Hold it here, engaging the back body, pulling the arms and shoulders back towards the hips as the feet push down and the toes pull in towards the hips. So energy is extending from the hips out through the heels and up the back, extending the heart forward as the shoulders curl back. And then flow into a downward facing dog, rocking over the toes, lifting hips all the way up and back. Keep the arms and shoulders lifting away from the floor and let the spine descend between the shoulder blades and the heart expands. Hold it here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Holding Uddiyana, keep that lower abdomen firm on the inhale and exhale. Pelvic floor is toned, holding Mula Bandha. When you inhale, the arms, shoulders lift as the upper body, as the upper lungs expand. And on the exhale, extend energy from the shoulders through the hands, pushing the thigh bones back into the legs, and extend energy down the legs through the heels. Keep informing the form with breath and energy. Inhale fully, letting arms, shoulders, hips can lift. Exhale, ride the wave, pushing energy out through the hands, extending energy back and down through the legs. The head and neck stay relaxed. The gaze is between the feet or at the navel. To jump through from down dog between the hands and come to sitting in Dandasana, you want to bend the knees deep, shift your gaze forward between the hands, eyeballing the spot of where you want your feet to go through, and as you're exhaling, you jump through. So on the last breath, you start to bend the knees and you begin the exhale, and then when there's 1/3 of the breath left, then you jump, keeping your hips very low to the ground, and you straighten your legs as they're in midair, kicking them forward between the hands. So instead of lifting the hips to create more clearance to get your feet through, you're going to bend the knees and lower the hips down towards the heels. Gaze forward between the hands, and as you're exhaling, you jump forward off the toes and kick your legs forward, straightening them as you lower down into Dandasana. Om Sharavana Bhava.